So let's hear it from Jackie and Charlie. They have an exhibition. Jackie McGee and Charlie Womble, come on down.
Charlie, you only hold Jackie. Jimmy! Ready? Are you ready?
We're ready.
Complicated for this simple man, but now I understand.
Oh, you look good. Make it work, Jackie. Oh, yeah.
It killed me so my strength increased, and now I finally see I found the love that was gonna be there. So mine is much more precious than gold. I was in a place where truth is hard to find, but it's all revealed in time. Stick out my chest and hold my head up high. Forgot how it felt to feel so good inside. A fool would gain the world just to lose himself. Now I'm gonna be true to no one else. I gotta lie to my eyes for the world to see. Inside me was a long, hard road to be a better man. Now I can be myself again. Thunder in my bones, I hold my head up high everywhere that I go. The gift of life I truly understand. I can be myself again. I've a rainbow moon that love can't heal for sure. If you lose yourself, the Lord can guide you home. This I know, I've found a joy and serenity. Won't let nobody tell me something's wrong with me. Gotta be come inside, set free, and be myself again. All the love that was gone deep inside of me. I found a man who was lost and I set him free. I thought that the pain was never gonna end, but now I can be myself again. Feel the road of the thunder in my bones. I hold my head up high everywhere that I go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it don't get no better than that.